Hey everyone, let's build a grandfather clock version 2 that is scaled for minifigures for today's Lego brick tutorial. Let's start with a pair of 1x4 plates. Let's set these side by side, and we're going to lock them together with a pair of 1x2 plates. Next, let's flip the assembly over and put 4 studs in the corners. These are going to be used as little feet for the grandfather clock. Flip that back over, place a 1x2 brick in the back, and a pair of 1x2 palisade bricks on the sides. Next, set down a pair of 1x2 plates and a 1x2 brick in the back. Now take a modified 1x2 plate with holder. Let's place a frying pan in the holder. We're going to set this down right on top of the previous 1x2 bricks. This is going to be like the pendulum for the clock. Let's proceed on with the sides with a pair of 1x2 palisade bricks and a pair of 1x2 plates. Now let's set in a 1x2x3 transparent clear wall element for a little window for the pendulum. Just set that in and then press it down. Now, on the top, set down a 1x4 plate and a 1x4 modified plate with 2 studs. Now let's set down 3 1x2 plates, and then we're going to place a 1x2 plate in the back center, followed by 2 1x1 bricks with 1 stud. Let's take a 1x2 pearl gold plate and a clock face. I'm going to place the clock face on the plate and set them on the bricks with studs. Now the gold is going to give it some extra character. And then we're going to proceed on with another pair of 1x2 palisade bricks and a pair of 1x2 plates. For the top, let's take a modified 1x4 plate with 2 studs, place it in the back, and a 1x4 plate in the front. Now I want to finish this off with 4 studs on both left and right hand sides, and 2 1x1 slopes to give it a little more bulk on the top. And there is our grandfather clock, version 2. As you can see, it's a little bit large for Jay the Surfer, but this would look great in a castle, maybe an older style home, or just for fun.